Hi, this is Javin Kharo, a chemical engineer by profession, going to continue our today's topic, continuous stir tank reactors. Now, what is that? In chemical process, the challenge to maintain the steady reaction condition is erratic thermal change and flow can lead issue material chemical production. All above mentioned problem resulted lower productivity and below per quality product. Now, the continuous stir tank reactor maintain uniform condition throughout the reaction mixture. The vessel ensure continuous agitation and heat distribution. The working continuous stir tank reactor involve consistent input and output flow rate. In general, there are two types of continuous reactor. They are plug flow reactor and semi-batch reactor. The plug flow reactor operates on a continuous pattern of mixing where reactant flow through reactor in a plug manner, maintain a spiral gradient and concentration and temperature. Semi-batch reactors are hybrid and they are traditional batch and continuous reactor model. In this type of reactor, introduction and removal reactant are controlled during operation, each type suitable certain extent and intended use, whether process is aimed alerting reaction rate. Now, continuous stir tank reactors are span of wide range industries. Their primary application CSTR industries, pharmaceuticals. They are used synthesize active pharmaceutical ingredients and intermediate compound. The reaction ensure consistent product quality and yield, maintain precise control over reaction condition, the scaling up production without compromising product consistency, supporting continuous manufacturing, reducing batch-to-batch variability. Now, CSTR facilitate biological process such as cell culture, fermentation. They provide necessary agitation and aeration. This enhance cell growth and product formation. CSTR are major significant petrochemical industries. So far, they are implemented. Some of the process they are useful polymerization. Other process while refining guaranteed their product uniform quality. The reactor therefore responsible keeping agitation, temperature adjustment. Petrochemical production, continuous stir tank reactor are include provide better control over reaction and product production. Now backup high level production with zero downtime and enable mixing additive, fuel and lubricant. Besides CSTR are catalyzed reaction that achieve maximum efficiency, produce high conversion rate. The former help to keep a constant fermentation environment. It guarantees standard output, making process faster to manage. Now CSTR are essential in biotechnology, cultivating microorganisms, bacteria and yeast. The bioreactor requires constant stirring, optimal growth and metabolic activity. In biotechnology, CSTR are used for cultivating microorganisms for enzyme and protein production, enhance cell growth and maximum product yield, maintain precise control over nutrient supply and waste removal. Constant stir tank reactor are continuous nutrient flow and waste removal, maintain optimal condition, high density cell culture, water treatment. CSTR are widely used water treatment, biological, chemical process. They are help reducing organic matter, contaminant, wastewater, facilitate anaerobic digestion, break down organic sludge, supporting aerobic process, nitrification, denitrification, enhance chemical reaction for removal pollutant. CSTR provide efficient mixing and consistent operating conditions. The ensure throughout treatment and high process control. They are adaptable, varying composition, load. This flexibility make ideal diverse water treatment application. In industrial chemical production, continuous stir tank reactor optimize reaction condition, enhance process efficiency, product quality. Now, advantage. CSTR have several advantages over reactor type industrial chemical production. The design operation provide numerous benefits. Use the continuous stir tank reactor system ensure the product quality. This achieved consistent mixing, and agitation, CSTR maintain uniform reaction condition throughout the process. CSTR are simpler operate and control compared to batch reactor. This allows continuous operation, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. The reactor have better heat transfer property, making suitable higher reactant concentration and more energetic reactions. CSTR are efficient mixing of reactant, especially slurry, help to maintain uniform reaction rate and prevent hotspot and dead zone. Now, advantage of CSTR are effective handling solid, enhanced versatility process, high conversion rate, achieve relatively salt resistance time, easy application, the different reaction condition volume, well understood scale up capacity, facilitate industrial application, advanced system, incorporate multiple vessels, simplifying design and improve reliability. Compare batch reactor, CSTR are continuous operation, better control and higher efficiency. These make ideal for large scale industrial chemical production. Now challenges and limitations. CSTR are several challenges and limitations industrial application maintain. Uniform condition throughout the reactor can difficult dead zone. The mixing occur, still exists, slow heat and mass transfer. Another issue with CSTR, it affects efficiency and control reaction process. Reaction can be also be wasteful during the setup and shutdown phase. Use the continuous stir tank reactor system resulted lower conversion rate and certain reaction CSTR generally have smaller conversion per unit volume compared to other reactors. Because of reaction occurs lower reactant concentration between inlet and outlet. CSTR unsuitable for reaction extremely slow kinetic. The reaction are require very large volume reactor. Additional CSTR poorer agitation compare other reactor type. Now limitation of CSTR are insufficient heat and mass transfer, affect reaction control, wastefulness during startup and shutdown phase, lower conversion rate, and certain reaction reducing efficiency, unsuitability, slow kinetic reaction, require large volume. Despite challenges, CSTR remain valuable many industrial process. However, understand the limitation, crucible, optimization, use, processing industrial, significant challenge, maintain consistent product quality, insufficient mixing lead, product variation, reduce production capacity, the manufacturing facility struggle, batch to batch, inconsistent in their process, continuous stir tank reactor provide, optimum mixing conditions, various applications. Being manufactured, continuous stir tank reactor understand the complexity in achieving uniform reaction conditions, advanced control system help to maintain steady state operation of the reactor. Continuous stir tank reactor maintain uniform condition throughout the reaction vessel. The reactor receive continuous feed stream while maintain perfect mixing inside. The chemical process plant implement the reactor large scale production operation engineer must understand working principle CSTR to optimize reaction condition effectively. Now design consideration include the reactor volume determine the resistance time for chemical reaction, temperature control system, regulate heat transfer during exothermic reaction, impeller design, affect mixing efficiency and reactant distribution pattern, feed stream composition, impact overall conversion rate and product quality. Now chemical processing application. Chemical processing industries rely robust reactor system for consistent product quality. Modern chemical process plant facilitate integral advanced control system, optimize reaction condition throughout their key chemical processing application. Continuous stir tank reactor, crystallization process require precise control, super saturation level to optimize crystal formation, continuous flow stir tank reactor, continuous nucleation to steady state operating condition, Now, precise temperature regulation affect nucleation and crystal growth pattern. Agitation speed influence crystal size distribution, product uniformity. Feed concentration management prevent unwanted secondary nucleation crystallization. In vessel geometry optimization ensure uniform supersaturation throughout the system. Chemical processing industries, robust reactor system, consistent product quality, modern chemical process plant facility, integrated advanced control system, optimized reaction condition throughout. They are key chemical process application, continuous stir tank reactor, polymerization reaction, strict control, modular wide distribution, CSTR thermal, control manage, heat release. During exothermic polymerization process, the reactor maintains uniform maneuver and concentration throughout the reactor vessel. Initiator, feed rate control ensure consistent polymer chain rule. Mixing intensity affect final polymer molecule, weight distribution, temperature profile, determine reaction kinetic and conversion rate, and online viscosity monitoring help optimize product quality specification. The biological processing application, biotechnology process demand, precise control, environment condition, the optimum cellular growth and advanced monitoring system are the key parameters affect biological reaction and product. They are major biological processing application, continuous stir tank reactor, biological operation, cell culture, production, stable environment condition, optimum organism growth rate and continuous stir tank reactor provide control condition for sensitive biological process. Now modern biological facility implement advanced monitoring system, cell viability manufacturing, dissolved oxygen control, maintain aerobic condition, cellular metabolism and pH regulation ensure optimum activity growth media. Now the fermentation process application CSTR are used. Microbial population thrive under controlled feeding strategy. The system's sterilite design future prevent contamination during long-term operation. Feed rate control balance substrate availability product formation. Agitation system provide uniform distribution, nutrient and cell and online sensor monitor key metabolism parameter during fermentation. Now modern biotechnology require precise control, environment operation for cellular growth and continuous flow, stir tank reactor maintain operating condition, sensitive cell line. Now special feature of the CSTR in biotechnology, they are cell sensitive cell line with need, gentle mixing condition and proper growth. Media composition changes affect cellular metabolism and product formation. Oxygen transfer rate determine maximum achievable cell density. pH control system maintain optimum condition and protein expression. And automated control system ensure consistent product quality throughout the cultivation period. Now, environment application. Environment process require efficient treatment system, handle large volume and best stream. Advanced reactor design enable suitable solution for various environmental challenges and pollutants. They are key environment application, continuous stir tank reactor. Wastewater treatment. Treatment are process large volume, contain water through biological treatment system. The continuous flow stir tank reactor enable the efficient removal organic pollutant. Now, advantage monitoring system track contaminant level throughout the treatment process. They are dissolved oxygen level, affect microbial degradation of organic compound, nutrient dosing system, maintain optimal conditions, biological treatment, sludge retention, time determine, treatment efficiency and effluent quality, pH control system, optimize biological activity, treatment, tank, hydrogen production, sustainable hydrogen generation require precise control over reaction condition, catalyst, CSTR temperature control system maintain optimum condition, hydrogen production process. Now, electrolysis system integrated with renewable energy source and clean hydrogen generation, catalyst distribution affect hydrogen production rate and efficiency, feed water quality, impact electrode performance and system longevity, operating pressure determine hydrogen separation and collection efficiency, energy output, monitoring and economical production operation, and the process engineer optimize parameter for maximum hydrogen yield. CSTR industrial application. Industrial process utilize specialized reactor design, achieve efficient separation of difficult phase, modern facility, implement advanced monitoring, system consistent product quality, specification. Here are major industrial application of stir tank reactor. Process industrial utilize specialized reactor design and efficient phase separation process. Continuous stir tank reactor maintain optimum condition for gas liquid mass transfer operation. Engineer monitor process parameter achieve the maximum separation efficiency. Gas flow distributor affect mass transfer rate and separation performance. Impeller design influence bubble size, distribution and pattern. Pressure control system optimize gas solubility, liquid phase and temperature regulation. Impact vapor liquid equilibrium during separation. Solid liquid separation. Each CSTR industrial application requires specific design feature for particle separation. Advanced control system maintain suitable operation during continuous separation process. Now proper vessel geometry ensure effective particle classification and separation. Resistance time distribution affect particle setting characteristic. Agitation speed determine suspension behavior and separation efficiency. Feed concentration impact settling rate and clarification performance. Online monitoring system track suspended solid concentration level. Now, key aspect modern CSTR application include advanced control system enable automated process optimization, real-time monitoring ensure consistent product specification, integration with digital platform improve operational efficiency, sustainable design feature, reduce environment impact. Now, the variable and versatility reactor continuous advanced chemical processing technology. Process industries implement system reliable large scale production. Now some of the questions arises in our mind that are what is continuous stir tank reactor? A continuous stir tank reactor is a vessel design, consistent mixing of reactant, maintain uniform condition throughout the reactor volume while processing feed continuously. What are CSTR reactor used for? CSTR find application, chemical synthesis, polymerization reaction, biotechnology processing, wastewater treatment. They are expert in process requiring consistent mixing and temperature control. What are benefits of bioreactor? Bioreactor provide controlled environment and cellular growth, the product fermentation and formation. They are enable precise regulation, temperature, pH, oxygen and nutrient optimal biological process. What are key maintenance requirements? CSTR wastewater treatment. Regular maintenance include cleaning, mixing, elements, calibrating, sensors, implementing, seal, monitoring, corrosion. Operator must maintain proper microbial population, removal, actuated, solid and ensure efficient treatment. Now conclusion. Continuous stir tank reactor are several diverse applications across multiple industries. Process engineer optimize the system specific production requirement. Okay guys, this is up to constant stir tank reactor or today's topic. I hope you get sufficient knowledge after watching this video. Next Sunday we have covered some another chemical engineering topics. Till then, goodbye. Do take good care of yourself.